Hi, I am Paula Prada, and I will now answer the question from step 2. Questions 1. I will choose to work as an environmental engineer because I like to help transform territories with alternatives that seek not to harm the environment. In addition, I like teaching communities to make adequate use of natural resources. I am also very passionate about implementing mechanisms or activities to recover the natural resources that are affected. Questions 2. In my last job, I was a super in the environmental supervision of construction work in the municipality of Rio Negro, Antioquia. In this company, I worked for 5 years. It was very important for me because I learned a lot from my professional career, and the most important thing was that I acquired a lot of work experience in my field.